Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga.
What Juicy say? Like,
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga.
real ass nigga, give a fuck about a bitch. It is what it is.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this tutorial on this tight curly 360 wig from Rpghair. This wig was so nice, so easy to put on, and so bomb. I did a no part look, so if you guys are interested in this look, keep on watching.
I could have freaking died when I started watching this video. Like, there's something like a smudge on my camera, so the quality looks so jacked up. Throughout the video, I am gonna realize the smudge and fix it, but I'm not gonna fix it that much. So make sure that you guys watch this video in HD, because if it's, I know from how it looks right now, if it's not in HD, it's gonna look crazy. Guys, I already cut the lace and everything like that, as you guys saw. I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 thin coats of Ghost Spawn on there now that the second coat has been dried, and I'm just going to be tapping that on there. Guys, something that you guys, I need y'all to keep in mind is that y'all need to never, if there's any hairs on the glue that's on your head, you need to take them off. It's best to do that instead of putting the lace over it, because trust me, it'll look really messed up. Like, it'll look sloppy. You'll be able to see the lace. And also make sure that all areas of your lace are glued down. There aren't no random pieces that are just sticking up. Now that everything, all the perimeter of my hair is glued down, I just take my scissors and, my razors, and I'm just cutting along the hairline. This is a 360 wig, so I'm going to be clipping the back together. I never really sewed down or glued the back of my wigs. This is usually what I do. So I'm now switching my hair. I'm going to be going for a no part look. So I'm just going to be combing my hair into that position, like a side part look, but without actually combing with an actual comb and parting the space out. And then I'm going to go ahead and just begin my baby hairs. The flow of my baby hairs will let you guys know that, you know, this is kind of like a little side part look. Y'all, I'm so sad for the quality of this video because this hair was so bomb. Hopefully you guys can ignore it. Look like the glare from my nails and all that. Like, my camera was tripping today. Like, I don't know how I didn't miss that sponge. But anyways, y'all, I am going to continue my baby hairs, and I just want to let you guys know throughout the video my camera ended up dying, but I did switch batteries, so you will get to see me do the opposite side of my head, baby hairs and all that. So this is basically the cut off. So anyways, you guys already should have seen, but I do have like full in-depth videos on my baby hairs. So now this is how the hair is looking. I love it so much. As you guys can see, it's really big. So I'm gonna go in between the curls and try to loosen them up.
Alright y'all, so basically I don't think, I'm gonna double check, but I doubt it. Yeah, I don't have any curling products on me right now, so I just wet the hair and I ran my fingers through it as I wet it. And I don't know if you guys noticed this about me, but it's pretty rare that you'll ever see me wear like a length, like just like a random 22-inch wig. What the fuck is going on right here? Just pretty like folded. Hold on, y'all. I need you to. Okay, I don't know why, but that part just creased. I'm gonna have to redo the baby hair over because I like pulled it. But it's rare that you ever see me wear like a random length like this, and this is just, let me double check. Yeah, this is a 20-inch tight curly wig from RPG Hair Show. This is a 360 wig. I didn't put no products on it, and this like has this like beautiful curl to it. Like, it's so pretty. I tried to do maybe like a no part look with the hair. I didn't specifically part it. I just did my baby hairs, as y'all can see, and I just like kind of like combed it out with my hands. But I'm actually like liking this look. Like, I almost never wear medium lengths like this. I always like it to be either short or either long, but this don't do me too bad. It's like natural, like it looks really realistic. I don't have no curling products on me. Yeah, all my curling products are at the shop, so I'm gonna just use this as the time to like test it out and see if I can just, you know, rock curly hair without any products in it. But yes, y'all, this is pretty. Like, this is so pretty. It's something in my eye. Like, my minks are like, I have mink extensions in, and they're starting to fall, and when they start falling, they start irritating the shit out of your fucking eyes. But yeah, y'all, make sure you guys check out RPG Hair. Like, the stuff I use, like what I used to do my baby hairs, was actually provided by them. They sent me this. The comb was also provided by them. People like to go crazy when they see me combing out my curly hair, but I just personally feel like that's why your curly hair be looking the way it do. Like, hair should be, even though it's curly, it shouldn't be knotted up. Like, you should be able to comb through. It shouldn't be tangled up and knotty, unless it's like the back area. That part tangles like crazy. But yes, y'all, I just gotta readjust this baby hair. I'm looking like a whole nigga right now. Like, I need to go get some earrings. I literally have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 piercings, and I only have 1 earring in on the last piercing at the top. Like, I need to go to this store and get some fucking earrings. I look crazy. But yeah, y'all, this is the look of the hair. I actually like it. I'm not used to hair this length on me, but it just looks pretty. Like, it looks like I look like a little girl. Like, I could be mixed or something. Like, yeah, y'all, this is my real hair. That's why it's not that long. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lip liner so I can show y'all how it looks finished. Like, I personally feel like my look ain't finished till my lip liner is on. People always ask me what lip combo am I wearing and stuff like that, but I can never tell ya because I honestly apply like 6 different lip glosses. But I was thinking I'm actually gonna change my lip combo today, but I'm still gonna use this as the base. So the first thing that I put is the Milani lip gloss. It's in the color 05 blush. It's like a keep it plump lip gloss. The words are like coming off of it. So I don't have no liner on. I just put this on first. I know, Dave Chappelle. Just wait. Then I take my brown lip liner and I line my lips. Let me put my head up so y'all can see. I was watching this girl. I cannot remember. I can't pronounce her Instagram. Let me double check on Instagram. But I was watching her video last night. It was a makeup tutorial. She did this lip color, and I was like, this is to die for. Like, and I think I liked her video. So let me double check. Yes, her Instagram is her YouTube channel is Silver Medallion. We follow each other on Instagram and on YouTube. It's Silver Medallion. But I don't know if I can see that. But I got her name right here. Like, her makeup goes. And she did this lip color. I'm gonna try to recreate it though. First things first is your girl be overlining her lips. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I'm big. I'm big on like overlining my lips. So after I put the lip liner on, I already put this. I have on lip liner and this. And then I'm going to take Oyster Girl by MAC and Dressed to Dazzle by MAC. Dog, these things, I bought these and they like, you ever seen when they get like weird looking? Because I never used them. Oh yeah. Oyster Girl said was good. This Oyster Girl, right? I originally bought Oyster Girl because of Aaliyah J. But, and this is the Dare to Be Dazzled. Six different lip glosses. So yeah, y'all, these are the lips for today. This is the look. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys check out Rpghair for some bomb affordable hair. This wig is so nice.